July30 here, welcome back to a brand new episode of Hacknet. Hope you're having an awesome day. So, last time we were faced with Project Junebug, which we were asked if we wanted to be involved in a euthanization, as he's being kept alive in considerable pain against his wishes, which is really sad, and I'm really scared to do this, but we need to do this. We need to help this man, okay? Okay, Universal Medical Project details. Okay, let's get on to his medical records. Search. Elliot Witt. Let me get that right. Okay, records, look up. Here is his details. He's 55 years old. Oh, it's nearly his birthday. What the heck? Blood type is BO. Huh? Height is 166 centimeters. Allergies, non-active prescriptions times 1 active. Ivermectin times 35 monthly. Heart rate regulation. Recorded visits at London Private Hospital. Notes, due to recurring and critical arrhythmic problems in the patient's heart, they have been fitted with a pacemaker that can allow some fine-tuning to account for unknown variables without invasive surgery. References. Pacemaker connection ID. I don't know. Pacemaker connection ID. Let's take all this important stuff. 0.6, 0.141, 0.219. And then if we add documentation and notes are at 66.96.147.84. Extra details. Before taking any action that might disrupt the pacemaker or performing any invasive surgery, contact the manufacturers to confirm the stability. Okay. Okay. This is scary. But let's exit the database view for now. Let's have a look again at the message and see what we should do next. We recommend starting the target's medical record, identifying the chip, looking for its manufacturers, and going from there. So, let's go to the pacemaker connection ID and see if we can get any identification on the chip. So 202.6.141.219. Okay, KBT, it's a B-type pacemaker. So, I'm just going to write all this down that it says here. This might just be the server access. So, you know, reg number 10811. Kellis Biotech. B-type pacemaker. Version 2.44. Okay, so we've got that in the notes there. Let's go on over to the documentations and notes so we can see what is going on with this thing and how we can, you know, do what we're trying to do here. It's a sensitive subject. Okay, Kellis Biotech and you. Kellis Biotech is an internationally recognized full-service original equipment manufacturer specializing in medical and cosmetic devices. Okay, cool. Don't need to know anymore. Remote tools, security and clearances, firmware and patching. This post details the remote monitoring and update functionality. Updates are generally only provided on a case-specific basis, so maybe the update is the way to do it. Clearing security to perform a firmware update once a signed binary has been retrieved from the software developers requires several steps. First, connect to the pacemaker chip using the patient's reference IP address. Log in as an administrator using details that will have been assigned on a per-case basis by the client. This step is protected using Kellis's proprietary microport protection system, port 6652. What the heck, how do we get into that? At this stage, remote monitoring will be enabled, allowing the user to view live ECG data. To perform the firmware update, a secondary software login must be performed using an authorized software manufacturer authentication code. Oh my gosh, this is difficult. With both details confirmed, an update can be uploaded and activated on the chip, which will automatically soft reset, no danger to the patient, and activate the new code. Okay, firmware and patching. I don't know if this is anything using this server. Guys, do I just try and connect to the pacemaker then? Let's see what we need to get past it and see if we can get past it without it. Because I feel like we're going to need an extra code to get into this. So let's probe this. Port 104 medical services. How the heck do I get past that? I think I'm going to have to go on to their server, the documentation and notes server, and try and find some way of getting a thing to get through that. Hopefully there's something there. Let's probe this one. Can we get into here? Okay, we should be able to get into this one. So if we do a web server worm 80 and an SMTP overflow 25 and get the FTP bounce ready, but we'll start the analyze. Spell it the American way? Huh? Okay. And then if we do the FTP bounce 21 and the SSH crack 22, carry on with the analysis. I don't know how I feel about this contract. This is scary, like real scary. Have we got something? B-I-O-G-E-L. B-I-O-G-E-L. Biogel. Is that right? Yes. Right, port hack. Oh my gosh, look at the trace. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to disconnect as soon as I get in. Shoot. I need to clear the log. Shoot. No, back, disconnect. Ah, I should have ran that stupid thing. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get caught. Shoot. Let's try again. 66.96. I need to delete them logs ASAP before they find out. Eek. Have I got in? Maybe I did get in. Damn. To let me in. All's good. I need to clear that at some point. Bin, sys. Default boot module. Nope. Message board. Listings. Closed. Config. Nope. Config. Caution. Config.sys in this folder is a critical system file. Do not delete or rename it. Doing so will crash the board and bring the host program down. Changes to the config should be made only during scheduled outages. Ooh, I wonder if I'm meant to like take this out at some point. Huh. I wonder. Well, let's scan the network, see if we can find any other. Oh, what's this? Production asset server. Let's probe this one. See if we can get into. This one's got another medical services too. Oh, but you only need to hack 4 of them. Oh, this is good. Okay, web server worm 80, SSH crack 22, and then if we start analyzing, I need to be quick. This one's going a bit slower actually. I think I'm alright with this one. If we get the SMTP overflow 25, FTP bounce 21, ready to go now, and then if we carry on analyzing, and once we've got this analysis, we just need to port hack, and we're in this one. Ooh, that scared me. I was like, why is it beeping? Is it the same? It's the same solution, Biogel, I think. And then if we port hack, and then we should be in because it says there's only 4 required to get in. We're in. View file system, home, new folder, production, output, catalyst driver. Port test. KVPT is a utility for testing and stressing the Kellis Medical Standard Port 104. This tool can be deployed with a hardware package on request to test the device under scrutiny. It is designed to flood the port with traffic. This could help us. Okay, so let's SCP KVT underscore port test. Okay, that's in our bin folder. Revised final last. Kellis Media Pack. Wonder what that is. Okay, right, I'm just going to clear the log and get on out of here. And hopefully we can use that to get past the medical services thing. I don't know if it's going to work, but we can only try, can't we? We can only try. So let's connect to 202.6.141.219. And then if we probe... What was it even called? I forgot what it's called. KBT support test. 104. Is this gonna work? Guys, is it gonna work? I'm scared. I'm really scared. Eek. What's it doing? Is this good or not? Oh, he gone again? What's happening? It worked! Oh my gosh. That actually worked. Are you kidding me? I'm shook, but this is scary. I'm real scared. I don't know if I want to do this. Okay, let's just, how do I get in? If I click exit, and then if we go view file system, active, readme. All files in the folder will be detected by the Pacemaker software and can be nominated in the UI as a firmware patch. Upload using the upload. I wonder if, like, oh, wasn't there a DLL in the other one that might take it down? Let's clear the log. Let's go back into the other thing and download that DLL. I knew I should have downloaded everything. However, there's the monitor. Eek. 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 So it was this one we were on, wasn't it? View file system, home, production, output, catalyst driver. Let's try that. I don't know what the heck it does. SCP catalyst driver.dll, and then I will try uploading that and see if that works. Let me just clear the log. Don't want anything left behind. Can't get sloppy now. Okay, let's just disconnect from that and go to, where was it? KBT. Here it is. This one. Exit. View file system. And then if we go into active, so it uploads. All files in this folder will be detected by the Pacemaker software and can be nominated in the UI as a firmware patch if it detects that the file is correctly signed. So do I just go upload / where did it get saved to? The bin, maybe? Bin / can anyone remember what it was called? It was called something weird. Where is it? Why can't I see it? Anyone see it? Output CD. Catalyst, that's what it was called. Maybe it wasn't there. Maybe it was in the home file. Catalyst. Dang it. Home / catalyst. There we go. Let's upload that. And then, how do we get it to work? If you wish to remotely patch this chip, upload a file to this folder using the upload local file path. Well, I guess. Then what do I do? Should I delete this? Remove all? Default boot module. Maybe if I reboot it, okay? If we delete the Xserver.sys file? I don't know. I don't know what I'm meant to do. How can I force it to, like, restart itself? I need to go back and figure out how to update it again, I think. Let's find out how to update it. Okay, I didn't realise this before. Look, there's a thing that says there's a server for the firmware stuff. 0.22.1. Let's add that to there. I don't think there's a thing about updating it though. Remote tools. So let's go to that server and see if that has anything in it for us. 111.105.22.1. Let's probe this one and get into this one. Web server 180. This one doesn't even have a firewall. Damn. Okay, then 25. Once it is complete, I'll be back once it's done. Okay, we are just about into this server, so let's have a look at the file system on here. Projects, Kelis BT. Okay, oh, tests. Cycle test guide. As a part of our test cycle, before running the unit test suite on a chip, a cycle check needs to be performed. Hook it up to the test station and run the cycler. After it's run, it'll dump its data to the station, and you can go ahead and flash it and patch in your new test version. Caution, current signed testing firmware named. Do not upload it to any deploy ready devices. Obviously the test cycle firmware is signed and encoded so it'll actually run on the chips. I think this is what we're meant to do, the cycle test one. So let me just go to SCP and go pacemaker cycle test, and then I guess we'll clear the logs, move all, and then I hope this will work for it. So scared. Okay, let's get disconnected and back onto here. Let's exit view file system, go into here, and then if we upload home slash, what is it called, pacemaker, that I don't know how we make it active though. This is the problem. I'm pretty sure there was a way to reset it or something, or to update it, but I can't remember how to do that. Let me clear the logs and I'll go have a look and figure out how to do this. I cannot figure out what to do at all, so I'm gonna try uploading the pacemaker firmware thingy majig. Pacemaker. Where did it say? Oh, I'm doing the wrong thing. That's why. Never mind. Pacemaker, blah blah blah. Up to the active one. But we need to reboot it somehow, I think. How do I reboot it? Did I delete the X services? This could end all so badly. Like, real badly. Let me clear the log. And then I will clear the sys file. Remove X services. Why isn't it crashed? What's that command that I've got that just like destroys everything? Fork bomb? Should I try it? I don't know how to try it. Oh, it just disconnected me. Ah, never mind, never mind. That was no use at all. 141.219. Computer refused connection. Ah, shoot. I think I broke the game. Shoot, I shouldn't have used fork bomb. Damn it! Dang it! Ah! I'm kind of praying and hoping that it just comes. Oh, it came back online. Oh, boy. I was scared, I tell you that. So, what's active now? Well, I think it maybe restarted it. Let me clear the log and let's go check. Crash report. Oh, I should have read the crash report. Let me go check the medical records, if I can find it. Do we know where the heck the medical records are? Where is the medical records? There they are. Search Elliot Witt. Any news on Elliot? No, I guess he's still alive. I don't know what to do at all. Like, what the heck? What am I meant to do? I really don't know what to do now. I'm just gonna... Let's go back onto the, like, maker's side. Wonder if they've got another project that could help. Eidolon security notes. As discussed in recent meetings, our support teams need wildcard access to our systems to perform effective maintenance and updates when call out to the field. To achieve this, we're introducing a new e-admin support on all our new products. This account will be set up with full privilege. Is that on the new products too. Let's add that as a note, and we'll try that on the thingy. The new, like on the pacemaker server, and see if that does anything. See if we can log in and do anything, because I just don't know anymore. I don't know what to do. Admin login. Why wouldn't it let me log in? The heck? Oh! Firmware. Log in first. Log in. Log in. Let's see if this works. E-admin. Tens. Oh my gosh, it worked. Administrate firmware. You ready for this? I'm scared. I'm really scared. Firmware update complete. Oh my gosh. Look at his heart rate. His heart rate is fluctuating so freaking much. Now his heart stopped. Well then. I don't know how I feel about this. This is sad. Let's just clear this and then let's just reply saying it's been done. That was really sad. But at least... Hey! So this is a bit unorthodox, but I pulled some strings. You'll be the one that did the bit contract before, looking for what happened there. I'm after some more information, and I wanted the same person on it. If you're getting this, it means you've just finished your assigned contract, so we're good to go. To be frank, the term pulling strings with CSEC isn't something you really use lightly, and in this case, it's even more so. You got results fast, and I want you on this case too. More collaboratively this time. If I sound confident, you'll want to join in here. I have good reason for it. There's a very substantial incentive waiting for you on the CSEC asset server. Oh my gosh. So let's just get rid of all these notes and add this one. So we want tracekill.dec and dx122dx is the password. Get a copy and reply me back. As always, the admins are paranoid about their security, so it'll be anonymously routed back through their system to me. Whatever, just reply here when you're ready. Okay, so our contract was successful, and it's not the end. I thought it was going to be the end. Oh my gosh. Well then, I hope everyone's okay after this one. This one was a bit touchy. If anyone needs to talk, you know, just message me on Twitter or something. But I hope you're all having a great day. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below if you've completed this before. Make sure to share this video with your friends and subscribe. I hope you have the best day. Bye!